Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. Well, if you are a insider, a new build of Windows 10 for the fast ring 20H1 has been released, and it's build 18941. That's been released, of course. So let's just take a look here at the blog post. See quickly what's happening. So Korean IME, okay. Probably not a lot of stuff here, eh? But we will still be talking about the build. And since there's really nothing to talk about on 18941, we'll talk about the install. We'll talk about, of course, how stable it is. But I'll be looking at some of the features build by build, basically, that we've had, so that at least we can see, where we've been, where we're at. I mean, it started in February. Where it's been 5 months now since we've actually had builds. So there must be 5 months worth of new features that we'll go through a little bit. And of course, we'll be looking at the stability of this build. Remember, if you had a problem with build, some of you were stuck like in between build 18898 and 18, something like 18912 and 18926 or 27. There's a bunch of people that were stuck there, couldn't upgrade. Reboot your machine. It should normally work. They've added that fix to 18927 to fix the upgrade problem. But reboot and it should work. And I believe I did have that problem. That's what happened at some point. I reboot and everything worked. So if you are stuck there, remember there's also an image of 18932 available for download that you can actually install and do a clean install with if you're stuck behind. It's very nice because you'll be able to check out and see the latest builds by doing this. If you're in the slow ring, just a quick update that there was 2 updates this week. The second update is not for everybody. It depends. Some of you have it, some of you don't. But it brings your slow ring build of 19H2 to 18362.10006. So all of that is happening. So check out your Fast Ring Insider machines. Review coming up, possibly later today if all the install goes well. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.